Are you ready for a new video? Let's get started!
Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make various decorations from simple drawings. That way, by combining them, we'll get different designs. We'll start with some ideas for borders or dividers, perfect for giving a kawaii touch to your notebooks. Drawing most of these borders won't take you more than half a minute, and with them, you can decorate the page margins or separate a text. And to color them, I choose these crayons, but you can color them with any materials you like or leave them in black and white if you prefer that. Now I'll show you some ideas for boxes for your notes, headers, and titles. Since they're based on the same drawings, they go really well with the borders. These frames, besides being useful for notes, are also great for organizing a week in a handmade journal or planner. In the next video, we will see cover ideas and more decorations for notes. Stay tuned so you don't miss it.